welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and keeping safe. So today I'm going to show you my quick and easy everyday eye makeup tutorial. This is the eye makeup I will normally wear to work. I will be using neutral colours for this, but feel free to use any colours you wish to. If you want to know how I achieve my everyday eye makeup, then please continue watching. I have already applied makeup on the rest of my face, and I will link the tutorial for this in the description box below, and my eyes are already primed with a concealer. So I'm going to begin by taking the Sleek Cleopatra Kiss palette, and I'm going to take this golden shade to highlight my brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. I'm doing this just to bring more light to these areas. Oh, and I'm using a small flat shader brush to apply this. Next, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Warms Brown Obsession palette, and I'm going to take this brown colour. Using my MAC 224 brush, I'm going to apply this all over my crease area. Then I'm going to go in with this warm brown shade using the Zoeva 228 crease brush and apply it to the outer corners of my eye. I begin by patting the colour into place and slowly blend it out with this brush. You want to pat the colour in place, as this will ensure your eye makeup is pigmented and it will not wear away. Then I'm going to go in with this golden glitter, and using my fingers I'm going to pat this onto my eyelids. I love how creamy this glitter is, as it's so easy to apply. I'm going back in with my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to blend out the outer edges to ensure that we have a soft, smooth look. And then I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and then I'm going to apply a thin line as close to my lash line as possible. As I won't be wearing any lashes, I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Finally, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Baby Doll mascara and apply this to my lashes. Don't forget to apply mascara to your lower lashes, as this will complete your look and bring your eyes out. I slowly build up my mascara until I'm happy with it. Usually it's around 2 to 3 coats. And that is our simple everyday eye makeup done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it easy to follow. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if this was an easy tutorial and if you enjoyed it. If you already haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so you'll know every time I have uploaded a new tutorial. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!